So expats who are living overseas, who are American citizens or green card holders, are still required to pay taxes to the US because it is a citizenship-based taxation system. And there are some benefits or programs that will reduce that burden, but for some people that's not enough. What are some of the options for people who really don't want to keep paying that US taxes?
Well, what they can do is they can basically exit the US tax system. It's a process called expatriating or renouncing your citizenship. So it is a serious step to take. You're basically out of the system and you're literally giving up your US citizenship, or if you're a green card holder, you're giving up your green card. You do want to make sure you have another citizenship before you do that. If you don't, you become stateless and it becomes difficult or impossible to travel, to open bank accounts, or to do a lot of things. What could happen in effect when you renounce your citizenship is that you might be required to pay what's called an exit tax. You need to always talk with a tax professional and plan this out, because what could happen is you might wind up paying a huge exit tax that you didn't expect. And you can even exit the US tax system, but later on, there are situations where you still need to continue to file tax returns as a non-resident alien, but has income they earn from the US sourced income. Generally, when you expatriate, you're out of the system, whether you had to pay the exit tax or you didn't have to pay the exit tax. If you earn income from the United States, through interest, through dividends, or rental income, different things like that, you might be taxed at a flat 30% and are required to file Form 1040-NR every year. So there are situations where, from a financial perspective, you wind up worse off after you exit the US tax system. You have to look at every person's unique situation to determine what they should do, what they want to do, what they don't want to do, to try to kind of plan out the whole process.